Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to read and learn your second poem, Little Lulu. Right? Page number 32 of your book A. Now, here is Reena and she likes to tell you something. Hi, I am Reena. I can see my hands and legs, but I cannot see my face. I need a mirror to see my face. Here we could see Reena opposite to the mirror. Now let's read. Write the names of any 4 parts of your body that you can only see in a mirror. Now tell me, which body parts of Reena you can see in this mirror? Yes, I'll write eyes. Now here ears. Mouth. Right? And number 4 is her nose. Today's date and read. Okay. Do you remember Emily? One day Emily meets a girl named Lulu. However, little Lulu is very sad. Let us read this poem and find out why she is sad. Little Lulu. Little Lulu had a serious problem. She could not find her nose. Little Lulu looked up and down and then at her toes. Students, I can see and read few words which rhymes with each other. Nose and toes. Yes, so we'll underline these words, right? Now, second stanza. She looked left, she looked right, she looked all around. She asked her friends and asked her toys, but her nose could not be found. Here again, around and found sounds very similar, right? So we'll underline these 2 words. Emily the elephant saw her crying as she was passing by. She gave the weeping girl a mirror and said, "Give this a try." Yes, buy and try. Please underline these words. In the mirror did Lulu see her little nose all in place. Emily trumpeted happily, seeing Lulu's smiling face. Yes, place and face are the rhyming words. So we'll underline the rhyming words and we'll read this poem one more time. Now we'll understand the first stanza. Little Lulu had a serious problem. She could not find her nose. What is little Lulu's problem? Why is she sad? Yes, she is sad because she could not find her nose. Little Lulu looked up and down and then at her toes. Then she tried to search it up and down and then at her toes. Students, toes means a small finger like part of your feet. This is your first stanza. She looked left, she looked right, she looked all around. Then she tried to find in her left side and then right side and everywhere, but she could not find her nose. She asked her friends and asked her toys. Then she asked her friends and toys to help her, but her nose could not be found. Emily the elephant. Students, as we met Emily in your first lesson, Emily was passing, look at her, passing by the same road where the girl was crying. Lulu was crying and sitting over there. As she was passing by, she gave the weeping girl a mirror, and Emily had a mirror with her. So what she does, she has given that mirror to the little girl Lulu and said, give this a try, and said to find out her nose. Now see the last stanza. In the mirror did Lulu see her little nose all in place? Yes, and Lulu, when she saw a mirror, she could see her little nose was there at the right place. Emily trumpeted happily. Trumpeted means the sound made by elephant. Emily trumpeted happily, seeing Lulu's smiling face. Yes, I hope students you will learn this poem, and you will definitely recite it again and again. Exercise A. Let us find the answers from the poem. 1. Take the correct answers. A. What was little Lulu unable to find? Nose or toes? Yes, nose is correct answer. So we will take the correct answer. B. Who did little Lulu ask for help? Friends and parents or friends and toys? Yes, friends and toys is the correct answer. Very good, children. Number C. What did Emily bring? Lulu's nose or a mirror? Yes, Emily brings a mirror. D. What did little Lulu see in the mirror? Her smile or her nose? Yes, her nose at the right place. And this way, this exercise is done.